so those of you that have decided not to send a photo of our mask you created from Zoom, and you would like to use your Google tools to design this mask, when you open up, you should have a picture like this for mask design. You can try going to the shapes here and choose shapes to put in there. Maybe you're going to put some circles in. Now when it comes in, it'll be filled, and you can go to this paint container and it'll say fill color, and you can change it to make different colored dots. Maybe you're going to put several different shapes on your mask, and you're going to change its colors. Maybe you are going to put some arrows on your mask and change the color. Maybe you want to go to this line right here, and when you click line, you can go to scribble and you can draw on your mask and then change the color right here. And you can change how big the line is, how thick the line is. You can change it to dotted lines, however you want to. You can even go to insert image and you can search the web. And maybe you want to put a flower on your mask. So you'll get a flower and you'll click your button and it'll pull that flower up over here. I'm going to crop it. So I'm going to go to this button here and click crop. We're going to shrink down this flower. Just like that. And then I'm going to go to the sides and make it even smaller. And I'm going to put my flower on my mask here. Okay, so there's all different tools you can use. You can go back to Scribble maybe, and you're going to call it, you want to color in some hair. And then I'm going to make that line super thick. And I'm going to change it to brown. Okay, so there's all sorts of things you can try to do with your mask. Okay, when you're done, you need to make sure you go back to class practice and you hit the turn in button right back here. All right, guys, I can't wait to see either a photo of your mask from today or your mask design.